Wanna know how to make two strings isomorphic, or just simply check if two strings are isomorphic in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Java compiler, anything that you want. And once you run that here, you should be seeing a really big code which is around 30 lines, but it's super simple. So I'm just going to explain you. So we have simply used a scanner first up for more dynamics and for user input as well. So isomorphic string basically mean each character from one string can be replaced to get another string. So in preserving order, for example, egg and add are isomorphic. In this code, we first check lengths. Then we use a hash map to map characters from the first string to the second. Remember, hash mapping is really important. So if a mapping breaks or conflicts, it's not isomorphic. Otherwise, we print yes. This teaches mapping logic, hash maps, and string iteration in Java. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.